Hello, today I'm here to guide you to connect Google Slide and the Google Sheet, that too using Mail Merge. So we had assigned one task to create the profile of mentees, and we have to maintain one slide for every student. So it is tedious task if we are going to write this manually, student name and this contact details. So what we have to do is, today I'm going to connect Google Slides with the Google Sheets. So what you need is, first thing is you need attendance sheet. So this is my one document. In this I have the name of my mentors and contact number of my mentors. I need two field. Okay, be sure that name and contact number, this will be your headers, and your data will start from the second column. So this sheets I have. Second thing, that is what I need, this template means what, where I'm going to add my details. And then next thing is what, you have to write student name and phone number. And this you can give, this is user defined name, you can give any name. So here in the two angle bracket, you have to give the student name and the phone number, because I want to retrieve two fields. Okay, so I have two fields. Now I am going to install one add-on, that is AutoCred. If you this is AutoCred. In the get add-on, you can easily find out the AutoCred option. I've already installed, so it shows me install AutoCred. Okay, now go into the AutoCred. You have to launch it. In this you can give any name to your, suppose this is first time when you are going to make the uh, any particular job, then you have to create the new job. Okay, you can give any name to your job. Suppose I have given KRN mentee profile. Suppose my name is KRN and it is mentee profile. This is my job name. Okay, now next, in the next you are going to choose the template means what, the um, presentation in which I have mentioned the this two tags. Okay, so that I'm going to select. So my name is what, KRN Mentee. So I have written KRN Mentee, and you can search over here. So we can search. Okay, so I'm going to select this. After selecting, it will be automatically fetch. Okay, next, it will automatically fetch the Excel sheets. Now from this particular Google Sheet, I'm going to select the tab. So my data is present in the KRN Mentee. So I have selected that particular KRN Mentee. Then student name. So student name will map to name, and column is contact name is mapped to contact name. Okay. Then I'm going to click on the next. Now the file name, KRN Mentee. I need my file as a KRN Mentee. You can give any name to your file. This is the name given to your file. This is Google Slides. Then single output or multiple output. I need every document, every profile slide into one document only. So I'm going to give the single output mode. Okay. Then I'm going to give the next. Okay. Then I'm going to do the next. Now I'm going to choose the folder where I want to make. So this is the folder. If I want to make it any folder, you can, KRN profile is the folder. So I'm going to select this KRN profile. Here I need it. So I have selected that folder. Then this I don't need. So I can remove this folder. Then next. Next. We don't have to apply any condition. We don't want to share the documents. We don't want to apply trigger. Then we are going to save. After saving the document, just you have to execute it. So don't forget to execute it. See, this is my KRN mentor profile that I have selected. This is the previous one. So I'm going to delete it and I'm going to run my previous profile. So my job is KRN. I'm going to execute it. See, here we can observe that slides are inserting. Okay, now we have finished it. So now we want to, if we want to see in our spreadsheet, the document will be saved and it URL we are getting. And then when we are going to see, here we have the documents. See, Khirna Tejal, then next one is the Thakre Mansi. I hope this will be help you. Now you can share with the student and students can add the next detail. Okay, I hope this information will help you. Thank you.